The fastest is, in my opinion, not the right expression. Moving boundaries might be the right expression. And right now, heading for the 300-mile barrier for a serious hypersports car, this is the boundary we were heading for. And this is what we'd like to achieve.
The biggest challenge is to get the overall package right. So that means not only design, not only aerodynamics, not only engine, not only tires, is to get everything together and working in one car.
The key was a good team, and it was easy to find these people within Buggati.
I think most people have been 150 miles an hour sometime during their life. If you then add just another 30 to make it 180, that's a whole different world. Then when you get to 200, it's a lot faster than 180. So when you're talking about 300, it's a massive, massive step.
Everything is fine, and you can start.
At that kind of speed, normally aeroplanes are flying in the air. And you have to make sure that the car will stay on the ground, is stable, and not that nervous, that the driver feels comfortable in the car and that you can drive that kind of speed without any risk.
Guys, what a fantastic car. Dankeschön, grazie, merci. I can't thank you enough.
To get everything worked together in one moment and to head for the 300